Welcome back. Let's head over to the tables now, where 13-year-old Ronak Shergil of Campion College defeated a strong field that included FIDE Master Ras Malaku Lorne and 4 other candidate masters to capture the second staging of the President's Invitational International Chess Championships held recently in the Cayman Islands. Caymanians Jair Lol Hati and Chinake Kodak Washi were second and third respectively, with the Jamaican candidate master Akeem Brown finishing tied for second but ending fourth on the tiebreak.
Experience playing in the Cayman Islands Presidential Masters Chess Invitational Tournament. I felt very honored to be able to play against such strong opponents, and some of them were even titled players. So when I won, I felt very proud, and the only reason I won was thanks to my loving parents and my coach, Coach Domo.
Meanwhile, in the President's Invitational Junior section, Campion College's Liam Logan was tied for second but ended fifth overall, while Ronak Shergil was sixth. Dem Graham of the Cayman Islands won the junior section. And in the novice section, Leah Logan of St. Andrew Prep, who was the only Jamaican in the field, finished 10th overall. 43 persons contested all 3 titles over 5 and 6 rounds, respectively.
As president of the Cayman Islands Chess Federation, I'm delighted with the success of the inaugural President's Invitational Trophy chess tournament held on the 9th and 10th of November. Jamaica was represented in all 3 sections, the novice section, the junior section, and the master section. And your involvement was crowned by Ronak Shergil of Jamaica winning the master section. Ronak is one of the more talented junior players in Jamaica and indeed the Caribbean. And his achievement was particularly impressive given the strength of the field, which include many master players. So congratulations to Ronak and to the entire Jamaican contingent. And we look forward to further cooperation between our respective chess federations.